everyone. Loving the colors so much. So they are colors number 4, 27, and number 30. The most dominant color is number 30, I think. Number 30. Yes. So oh my god. So they are 10 inches in length and 0.6 centimeters in width, and my client, she had like a 3C texture hair. Her hair 3C, and I had to cut them like a little bit to accommodate the locks, because they were pretty long, and she had a lot of split ends. So, and she has like thinning hair on the nape of her head, at the back and at the front. So that's hence the reason why I'm doing like a bigger part at the back, bigger section. I'm doing bigger sections at the back. And here am I teasing her natural hair. This is a natural texture hair that I had to cut. I think I cut like 3 inches off. Yeah, I cut like 3 inches off her hair, and this is it. This is it's so far. So then I'll be adding like 80 extensions on her hair, and this is what I do. So keep watching, and I hope you enjoy. The colors are so beautiful. They're like, right now it's like it's October and it's fall season, and the colors just blend perfectly with the leaves that are turning on the trees. So yeah, the color is really nice. So keep watching. And this is it. This is how it's looking so far. If you notice, the locks, they're a bit crimped, right? So she said that she wanted like a crimped texture. Oh no, sorry, they are not 10 inches. I think, did I say 10 inches? They are 8 inches though. They're 8 inches in length, and she wanted like a crimped texture, so I crimped it before I install it. And I'll do another video showing you how I crimped her hair and what's that. Yeah, so this is the lock. I'm just gonna take off some of the excess some of the hair, because she said that she don't want the color hair to be showing. So she wants her natural hair to basically like show, and the hair look like she wanted it to look like it's her real locks, like it's a real hair. So her natural hair would be at the roots, at the base, and then the lock will blend seamless. So this is me crocheting her hair onto the locks, and yeah, so I'm basically swimming the needles through. And you can always check back to my previous videos. I'll link them in the description, my other lock videos, and then you'll see exactly what I'm talking about with the blending and what's not. So this is how I crimped it. Normally before installation I will shampoo my locks all the time to get some of the excess like gunk or dye out of from the locks. And this is it open after I take off the rubber bands. I use rubber bands to kind of like seal the ends. I shampoo, give them a good shampoo bath, then I use mousse while they are wet, and then I kind of like blow dry them so that they can get a little crimps. And my hair, I'm almost finished, and look at the color blend. Hopefully you can see the mixture, the color mixture and what's not. And like I said, like if you ever, like if you have a client that you have like thinning hair and you're installing dreadlocks, you gotta know what size locks you want. You don't want them too big and you don't want them too small. 0.6 centimeters is ideal. And the parts, you don't want the parts too big not too small. You want them like the same size of the dreadlock, because if you do smaller parts on like big locks, we're gonna have damaged hair over time. Your hair is gonna damage because your hair is gonna be hanging from the weight of the lock, is gonna basically weigh down your hair and damage your hair more. So we don't want that. You want to go to a professional to know exactly how to proportion your hair and the locks and what's not. So yeah, this is me finishing up, so keep watching. While doing her hair, I add extra hair, natural black, to kind of like cover some of the color bits that be poking out from the base of the hair. So yeah, and then I interlocked the roots. I normally don't like offering the interlock, but since she requested it and she has a bit of tender head, she's a tender head one, and she didn't want it to style, so I think if I interlock them, the roots will stay tighter for a long period of time. So this is the color blend, and the color is so beautiful. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And yeah, so for now, thanks for watching. Leave a like, a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in my next video. Okay, shake a little. Yeah. So slowly turn slowly like this. Yeah, okay, that's good.